Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So on today's tutorial, I'm going to show you this Coquette dress hack in Dress to Impress. So in this DTI tutorial, I'm showing you how you can unlock major Coquette Queen vibes using a clever styling trick that will have everyone asking, where did you get that outfit? So this is the dress that I created to for this long dress Coquette hack. Now let me show you how you can create this dress. So first you can just go to this closet or dressing room and find this dress, and I'm going to use these patterns in here and change all the materials into a light silk. And now for the second item, you can use this currency item, this dress in here. Use the same material and also patterns like this. And lastly, this skirt in here, still on the currency item. Use the same patterns here, and I'm going to use this. Okay, this brown color for the lace. And now you can just put on this last item. So I'm going to combine it to the top, this top in here on the top shelf in the center. Use the same patterns. And lastly, you're just going to put on this sleeves. Use the same pattern and use the brown color for the cups and also the lace. So this is the final result. So if you love lace, bows, pearls, and a little drama, you don't want to miss this one. Hit that like for more cute and clever outfit tricks. Subscribe and click on the thanks for more daily style slays. And I'll catch you all on the next tutorials. Bye.